Now dear students, today again it is class 9th math, and we have been discussing this linear equation in two variables and taking the graph. Now question number 4, after question number 3 of the exercise we have already attempted. Now question number 4 is the taxi fare in a city is as follows. For the first kilometer the fare is ₹8, and for the subsequent distance it is 5 kilometers, ₹5 per kilometer. Taking the distance covered by x, taking the distance covered as x kilometer and total fare as y. Write the linear equation of the under the graph. Now let this is the total distance, this is x, from A to B, this is x, this is x. The total distance which a taxi covers is x, and for the first kilometer, this is the P here. From A to P, this is the first kilometer, and for first kilometer the fare is ₹8. For the first kilometer the fare is ₹8. What was the total distance? It was x. Now for the first kilometer it is 8. What is the distance left now? It is obviously x minus 1, because for first kilometer it is 8. Now what is the distance from P to B? It is x minus 1, because we know that from A to P it is ₹8. Now the distance left from P to B is x minus 1, because for the first kilometer it is 8. Now what is the distance left? It is x minus 1. Now first kilometer the fare is, for first kilometer is ₹8, and for the subsequent distance, what is the distance left? That is x minus 1. There is ₹5 per kilometer. Now let the fare for the first kilometer is equal to ₹8. For the first kilometer is ₹8, and for the subsequent means what is the distance left? That is x minus 5, and for rest x minus 1 kilometers the fare is fare is equal to ₹5. Fare is ₹5. So we can write here the total fare for the rest of the kilometers is 5 into x minus 1. Now see, for the first, this is AB is the total distance, and this is x, and for the first kilometer it is ₹8. What is the distance now left? Apart from this first kilometer, it is obviously x minus 1, because 1 kilometer we give it ₹8 as fare. Now the rest of the distance left is x minus 1, and for this x minus 1 we have ₹5 kilometers per ₹5 per kilometer. So it is 5 into x minus 1. Now the linear equation becomes total fare is equal to y. Total fare is equal to y. Y is equal to 5 into x minus 1 plus this first kilometer is 8. Total fare. Yes. Total fare is, for the first kilometer it is ₹8, and for the subsequent it is 5 into x minus 1, and y is the total fare. So y is equivalent 5 into x is 5x, minus 5 1s are 5 plus 8, and so y is equal to 5x plus 3. So this is our linear equation. This is the linear equation. Now putting y is equal to x. Put x is equal to 1. What is our y? What is y for first kilometer? What will be the fare? This is 5 into 1 plus 3. This is 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3 is 8. So when x was 1, what is y? What is fare? For 1 kilometer, ₹8. Obviously for the 2 kilometers, this is 8 plus x minus 1 is, we will multiply this by 5. So putting x x is equal to 2. What is y? Y is 5 into 2 plus 3. Yes, 5 2s are 10 plus 3. This is 30. So when for the 2 kilometers the fear is 3. Similarly, put x is equal to 3 for the 3 kilometers. So y is equivalent 5 into 1 plus 5 into 3 plus 3. 5 3s are 15 plus 3. This is 18. So when x is 3, it is 18. Now you can take the graph like this. This is x, this is y. 1 8, 2 13, 3 18. Now you can take the graph like this. If this is 0, this is x axis and this is y axis. This is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. So here we go. Now all this is plus quadrant. Since x is plus, y is plus, here we go. 1 8, 1 is here and 8, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 is here. So this is the point. This is 1 8, then it is 2 2 is here, then 13. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. 13 is here. This 1 8. This is 2 13. 2 13. Then 3 18. 3 is here and 18. 18 is this is 13. 15 16 17 18. 18 is here. So this is 3 18. Now you can join this. You will always get a straight line. So you can take this graph at your places. Now the next question is, this was very important question. Now the graph is given. For the choice is given below, choose the equation whose graphs are given. Now graph is this, two graphs. This is 0 0, this is x-axis and this is y-axis. This is 1 2 3 and this is -1 -2 -3 -1 -2 -3 and this is +1 +2 +3 and again this is -1 -2 -3. Now the graph is like this. So this is one value is 0 0, second value is -1 and +1, this is -1 +1 and this is 1, this is 1 and -1, 1 and -1, 1 and -1. Now we have to check the choices whose graph is this. Equation is first is y is equal to x. Now put x is equal to 0, y is also is equal to 0. Put x is equal to 1, y is 1. So 0 0, 1 1, 2 2. Now let us check. This was the equation first. Y is equal to x. Whatever you give the value x, it is obviously what y. So here, if we give x 0, y is obviously 0. This is 0 0. So the square side is here. But this is -1 and +1. Here it is 1 and 1. So this is not the graph of this equation. So first choice is not true. Now let us see second choice. X plus y is equal to 0. Now x is equal to y, y is -y. Now here put y is equal to 0. What is x? X is also 0. So this is 0 0 ordered pair. Now put y is equal to 1. What is x? X is equal to -1. So this is -1 1. Put y is equal to -1. What is x? X is minus into minus, minus into -1, that is +1. So 1 and -1. Now see three values. 0 0 is here, yes, and -1 1 is here. This is correct. 1 and minus 1 is 0. So this is the graph of this equation. This is the graph of x plus y is equal to 0. So this choice, second choice is correct. X plus y is equal to 0. So this was question number 5 of first part. Now it is second part is, again let's take the graph. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3. This is x-axis, and obviously this is y-axis. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, and this is 5. This is minus 1, this is minus 2, this is minus 3. Similarly, this is minus 1, this is minus 2, this is minus 3, minus 4. Now the equation is like this: 0, 2. 0, 2 is one value. Then it is 2, 0. 2, 0 is yes, this value. And minus 1 and 3 is this value. Now this is minus 1 and 3. Now what is x? X is here minus 1, 0 and 2. This is x. This is the value of x. Minus 1 is x, 0 is x, and 2 is x. And what is y? Y is here 3, 2 and 0. Let us check which equation, which choice is correct. So y is equal to, first part is y is equal to x plus 2. Now give the value for x, these values, minus 1, 0, 2, and y should come equal to 3, 2, 0. Let's check. So put x is equal to minus 1. So y is equal to minus 1 plus 2, this is 1. So this is minus 1 plus 1. So this choice, y should have been 3 here, but what is y? Our y, it is 1. So this is not the graph of this equation. Now let us see second equation. This is y is equal to x minus 2. Now put x is equal to, suppose 0. What is y? Y is 0 minus 2, that is minus 2. So 0 minus 2 is the 0 minus 2. 0 minus 2. No. 0 minus 2. No. 0 plus 2 is the graph. So this choice is not the graph of this equation also. Now third one is y is equal to x minus 2. X minus 2. Now put x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0 minus 2, that is minus 2. So 0 minus 2. Yes, 0 minus 2 is here. 0 minus 2 is here. Now put x is equal to 2. So what is y? Y is 2 minus 2 is 0. So 2, 0 is, yes, this is 2 also. 2, 0 is again here. Now let us give this minus 1. Put x is equal to minus 1. Y is equal to minus 1 minus 2, this is minus 3. So minus 1 and minus 3. Minus 1, plus 3. Minus 1 and give this x equal to minus 1. So it is minus 1 minus 3. Minus 1 minus 3. This is minus 3. So this is not the graph of this equation either, because the value is here minus 1 plus 3. Now what is our value? It is minus 1 minus 3. No, this is not the correct choice again. Let us check one more equation. Y is equivalent minus x plus 2. Let's try this. Now put x is equal to this 0. First let's try this. So y is equal to minus 0 plus 2, that is 2. So 0, 2 is here. Yes, this is here. Now put this 2. Put x is equal to 2. So y is equal to minus 2 plus 2. This is 0. Again, this is correct. 2 and 0. Yes, this is here. Now let's check this minus 1. Put x is equal to minus 1. So y is equal to minus into minus 1 plus 2. This is plus 1 plus 2. This is 3. Yes, minus 1 plus 3 minus 1 plus 3. So this is the graph of this equation. This is the correct. So third choice, y is equal to minus x plus 2. This is the correct choice. Now the next question is, the work done by a body on application of a constant force is directly proportional to the distance traveled by the body. Express this in the form of a linear equation. Two variables, the graph of this. Taking the constant force as 5, also read from the graph 2 units, 0 units. Let x be the distance traveled and let the work done be y. Let the distance or displacement is equal to x and work done, let this be equivalent to y. Now we know that work done is equivalent to force into displacement. In physics, you know that work done is given by the force into displacement. So what is our work done? It is y is equal to what is force? Constant of force is 5. This is given in the question. Into displacement, this distance is x. So y is equal to 5x. Y is equal to 5x. Now we have to give the value for x. For displacement is 2 units. So x is equal to 2 and 0. Now put x is equal to 0. What is y? Y is 5 into 0. It is again 0. So 0, 0. This is the first value. Put x is equal to 1. What is the y? Y is equal to 5 into 1. 5 1s are 5. So 1, 5 is the second value. Put x is equal to 2. What is y? Y is equal to 5 into 2. That's 10. So 2 and 10. Now you can take the graph at your places. This is x and this is y. 0, 0. First value 1, 5 and 2, 10. You can take the graph of this equation also. Now question number 7 is, inshallah tomorrow we shall discuss further of these questions. Question number 2, 7, 8. Inshallah tomorrow. Till then, Allah Hafiz.